Good afternoon, YouTube. I've got to hard plumb this sink. Going to use the Milwaukee, that's why I thought I'd try to video it. We're going to stick plumb it, hard plumb it, whatever you want to call it. So I thought I'd try. It's not easy in a small area like this to try to video, but I'm going to try to video this and just show using the Milwaukee PEX pipe cutter, PVC cutter, CPVC cutter. That LED light's gonna mess with it, the camera, but I'm just pre-fitting it all right now. It's not nothing hard, nothing's glued. You have to hold a little resistance on that up. It wants to twist with you just a little bit. Open. Be able to make that work. That's it right there, guys. So, let's see. Then that'll, yep, that gives us plenty right there. That's it. Then see, I got a thing you screw in. Oh, where's that? Right. Got this deal right here. I'm gonna put a clean out on it. If there's any of you that are real plumbers, you can tell me, but see, I pre-fit everything. There is nothing glued. Even the pipe coming up out of here, nothing's glued. It's all just pre-fit. So now I'll start gluing it together. And there it is, guys. Plumbed in. Now the moment of truth. Every time I turn my camera on, my phone goes off. Don't see no leaks. Is that possible? There was no leaks. Water's running. I like hard plumbing this stuff in. It just, I have a lot of less trouble about stuff tearing up, getting broke. And I'm gonna start putting clean outs in. I hadn't been doing that, but I'm going to now, so I can run an auger down that. For my final test, I always like to fill the sink up where it's got a lot of flow, where the pipes will be full. I don't see any drips. Well, guys, that is hard plumbing a bathroom sink. Stick plumbing or whatever with the Milwaukee PVC cutter, PEX pipe cutter, CPVC cutter, finger cutter, if you got it in there. And you know, when you're working on a car, or a piece of machinery, it's always bad if you have parts left over. But I think we're all right. Guys, y'all have a blessed day. Thank you. Remember, God loves you. Jesus died for you. And I always enjoy being with you. Y'all have a blessed day.